Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are making very delicious tiramisu cake. As you can see, it looks so lovely and it is better than the store-bought cake. So let's get started with the ingredients. First is the mascarpone cheese. Then we need heavy whipping cream. We need the lady finger biscuits by Biscottis Aviardi. We need some cane sugar, pure vanilla extract, some cocoa powder. I have used the Starbucks classic hot cocoa powder, but you can use any cocoa powder that is available. Again, coffee and a vessel for making the cake, a blender and a big bowl for blending. So first we're going to take the mascarpone cheese. It is roughly 250 grams of cheese. Mix it with 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. And then we're gonna blend it nicely with a blender. As you can see, the cheese should get melted with the whipping cream, and there should not be any lumps formed while churning it. So make sure that you do it evenly. It doesn't take a lot of time, roughly 3 to 4 minutes. So just give it a nice blend. The mascarpone cheese becomes very fluffy and you'll see this texture. Then take 1 cup of whipping cream separately. Put it in a different vessel. Mix it with 1 cup of cane sugar. We are using cane sugar because it caramelizes and gives a very good flavor. And then 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. After mixing these 3 ingredients, we are going to again blend it. Now the whipping cream takes a little bit more time, so keep blending this. Once you'll see the consistency, when it becomes very fluffy and thick. Until then you just have to keep on blending it. So as you can see, it becomes thicker and thicker as you keep on blending. Again, it becomes very fluffy, very light in texture, and you'll see the sugar has melted perfectly. And you churn it until you get this consistency. See this? So lovely. Now we're going to mix the 2 things, the mascarpone cheese and the whipping cream, and again blend it nicely in a big vessel. Make sure there are no lumps, it is evenly blended out and there is no cheese visible. It should get completely blended and mixed with the whipping cream. So now we're going to take the vessel in which we'll make the cake and just butter it nicely. Put this butter paper on the sides, and then take the ladyfinger biscuits. Arrange them nicely. Now what we're going to do is, this is a coffee mix. So basically what we have done is take instant coffee, put it in cold water, and then dip 1 biscuit one by one and arrange it to form an even layer inside the vessel. Okay, just make sure that you cut the biscuits in such a way that it forms a very even layer, and then just give it a quick dip, okay, because it melts immediately if you just keep on dipping it for a long time. So just quick dip and then put it inside the vessel. So this is how it will look like. Then take the mixture of your cream and then spread it and put a second layer. Just even it out nicely. I have used a small vessel for making the cake. You can use a larger one. Again, we will repeat the same steps. We will put the biscuits one more time by dipping it in coffee and then another layer of cream, and then just even it out nicely. Be very gentle because the biscuits would crumble if you do it in a hard way. And then what we're going to do is we're going to sprinkle some cocoa powder on top of it. how I'm showing. So this is the cocoa powder by Starbucks. Tastes absolutely amazing. So sprinkle it nicely and then we are done. We are literally done with the cake. Now all you need to do is refrigerate it for minimum 3 hours. It takes 3 hours to set, so minimum 3 hours I would suggest. If you can keep it longer, it will be more firm, because it is literally biscuits and cheese, so there is no actual cake that we have baked here. So I would suggest to keep it little more than 3 hours, but if you cannot, then literally 3 hours is something that we have to keep it aside. And I have already done that, and now I'm just pulling out the vessel and the butter paper, and you'll see how beautiful the cake has turned out to be. And this is a very, very, very easy recipe. It literally takes less than 10 minutes prep time, and it is actually better than the store-bought tiramisu. I mean, I would definitely recommend to give it one try. If you have the right ingredients, it tastes absolutely amazing and literally melts in your mouth. So give it a try and make it for your loved ones on the birthdays. It's pretty easy. See how beautiful it looks. Wow. So this was our recipe for tiramisu cake. Please like, subscribe and share this video, and press the bell icon to see more videos. This is the final presentation. I hope you guys liked this recipe. Thank you for watching.